Okay, let's try this again. Want to do a nice shout out for Thunderbay Winery in Alpena, Michigan, for turning me on to a case of my favorite cider. Jeremy makes it there, and the website is www.thunderbaywinery.com. The phone number is 989-358-9463. And they have delicious cider and wine. And one of my favorite wines that they carry is blackberry wine. And the Lighthouse, it is a sparkling sweet wine. So what I am doing is normally I fill up a growler of just the white Lighthouse wine, but I will be doing a mixture of my blackberry. It has a great flavor to it. So what I do is I have my trusty oil can, which is brand new, of course, funnel, and I use it for my water and stuff. So what I will be doing is that goes in that end and filling up my white Lighthouse cider with it, and then topping the rest off with my blackberry wine. So yeah, hopefully this works as better than I anticipated. So it should. So and to all the peeps that helped me out with filling up my jugs, I sure appreciate it. I am on a 2.5-month excursion across the upper part of the United States, from Alpena, Michigan, over to Mount Rushmore, Sturgis. I've been staying at a variety of camping areas along the way. You can check out my YouTube channel, that I have created. It is called under YouTube, Campingruss, R-U-S-S, Campingruss. Type it in, you'll see my sexy mug pop up on it, and so that's what that's all about. Thank God I brought a trusty wine corkscrew and a bottle opener. So the reason why I keep them in the growlers makes it easy in my freezer refrigerator. So, and that's what it's all about. And it is working fabulously. And it looks like it is perfectly portioned also. So like I said, Thunderbay Winery, Alpena, Michigan. So and then of course, and it fills it up exactly where I wanted it. So then we add the blackberry wine, and learn how to use these fancy things. So perfect. And then cork her right up. And then that puppy, like I said, goes right into my freezer refrigerator. So, sorry it was so long, but I had to have some kind of demonstration. So, all right. Thank you again to www.thunderbaywinery.com. And when I get back to Alpena, because I'm doing these promos, you definitely owe me some more cider and wine. All right, guys. I'll see you later. See ya.